Hello.
Hi, how are you?
I'm great, thank you. What about you?
Maybe you beat your kids, right?
What?
Maybe you beat your kids.
My kids.
Yeah, because he's crying.
What do you mean?
No, I mean,
Yeah, it's cry
yeah.
every time.
So what's your name?
Rose.
Rose. Oh, nice name.
Yeah.
You also look like a
Thank
rose.
you.
Welcome. You also look like a rose.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Welcome, welcome. My name is Jack.
So, Zach,
Yeah, Jack.
nice to meet you, Zach. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Rose. So, where are you from?
Where are you from?
I'm from Bangladesh. Where are you from?
Huh?
Where are you from?
Miriam, he give you the ring.
I can't understand. Where are you from?
I'm from UK.
Okay. So, do you like smoking?
England.
England. Okay, I know.
Yes, I like smoke.
Okay, so how many cigarette do you take every day?
I'm not smoking cigarette. I'm smoking vape.
Vape. Okay. It's driven by electricity, right?
Yes, it's electric. Yes.
Okay.
I'm talking to you later because I don't have battery. Okay?
You don't have any time to talk to me?
My kids cry. It's playing.
Okay.
Nice to meet you,
Nice to meet you.
Zach.
Nice to meet you too, Rose. See you again.